Oh, we're on again. Maybe I should have practiced first before loading this thing. Hey there, bait stealers. Welcome back to the channel. Today we're out here at Spruce Creek, but I got something special for you guys. Check this out. Boom. All right, so got my first kayak, and this is gonna be awesome. Now, before we start, I want to mention a couple of things concerning this. There's two things that you must have whenever you go kayak fishing in waters like this. You must have a Coast Guard approved life jacket, and you need a whistle that's loud enough, and you need a whistle that can produce a loud sound, so something like this, so that you can warn boaters if they're coming towards you that you're right there, because as a kayaker you're gonna be a lot harder to see when you're in the waters. But back here, hopefully we shouldn't run into too many kayakers, or not kayakers, boaters, so we won't necessarily need to have that. But the life jacket is a must. So other than that, this right here is not required, but I have a float where I can store some water, or I have a waterproof box that has water, and I can put my wallet, keys in there, and even my cell phone, which I'm gonna do in a second. And I also bought an air horn as well, just in case. Now I'm gonna keep adding to that, so that way if something, in the event that something does happen, cross my fingers that it doesn't happen, but you never know on these waters. You always have to be careful, but that'll be a lifesaver. So let's go ahead, I'm gonna go ahead and set everything up, and let's get to the fishing. All right guys, so next step, once everything's set up, it's best to bring it into the water, just like so. Take your paddle. This is making me nervous, guys. I'm excited and nervous at the same time. What you want to do is take your butt, turn around, have a seat, and swing your two legs into the kayak. Whew, here we go. Maybe I should have practiced first before loading this thing. It's a lot harder than I thought. Holy crap. Hold on guys. We need to turn around. I don't like this. I don't like this at all. Holy crap. We need to turn around anyways because we lost our bait bucket. Ooh. Why do I keep turning to the right? Makes no sense to me. Guys, so I'm a little bit on the struggle bus trying to figure out how to use this paddle, so I'm gonna go ahead and I went ahead and unloaded everything. We're just gonna stay in this little area right here and see what we can do. Was not expecting how hard it is to paddle, but just gotta practice, I guess. It's a lot harder than I thought it was gonna be, but I'm making it. This kayak is very stable. How do we stop? That's the question. Ah, okay. That makes sense. And to stop, there we go. Okay guys, so I did a little bit of more practice there, and I'm kind of a little bit more confident. We're still gonna take it easy and see if we can find a nice fishing spot. So let's go ahead, get this kayak cast back out, and we already have it loaded back up. Just gotta get that bait bucket back on there, and then we'll get to it. So we'll see you at the spot. All right, it looks like we're in a good spot right here. I'm gonna stop because holy crap, that current is a lot tougher than it looks. So we're gonna set up here. I got the front bill bait bucket, we got mud minnows, and we got shrimp. So let's go ahead, get hooked up, hook up our bait, see what we can catch. Okay guys, so I'm gonna go ahead and toss on a mud minnow with a popping cork. All my shrimp for some reason died, so it's no longer gonna be useful. We're gonna cast this over here into this spot, see what we can do. Alright guys, you missed it. I turned off the camera because I didn't think we were gonna get anything anytime soon. No freaking way. No freaking way. No way. No way. Come here. Come here. Oh no. Stay right there. Stay right there, buddy. Oh, yes. Yes. No way! No freaking way, guys! Yeah! Look at that! My very first snook. Look at him. He is gorgeous. Wow. Wow, guys. Unbelievable. Alright. Very first catch on the kayak, paying off big time. Oh goodness. All right. Wow. I don't know. Oh, there we go. See how big you are. You are in the water big. But not mad at all. Not gonna lie to you guys, these are a lot harder to manage in the kayak, but that was freaking sweet. All right, guys, how epic was that? Very first snook on the very first kayak. Can't believe that. That was awesome. I'm gonna go ahead, bait back up, see what we can do, guys. This is already paying off. Oh my goodness, I love this. All right, so the snook frayed up that line pretty bad, so we're gonna have to replace it real quick. How far up did he go? Pretty far. All right. Oh, we're already getting hit. Mud minnow. It looks like the mud minnow's going crazy. Oh. Right over there. Right at that point is where we should be going. Oh, we're on again. Oh my goodness, this is amazing. Wonder what we got now. Bring him to the side. We got ourselves decent sized mangrove. All right. Second fish caught today. This is paying off so well. So freaking well. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Look at this guy. He's so big too. Okay. Ow. Little bastard. There we go. Solid mangrove snapper right there. Oh, oh, oh no, oh no. Okay. Ow. That right there most likely would be a 12-inch mangrove snapper, but we're gonna let this guy go. And he's off. Oh man, I can't believe how much this is paying off, guys. I can't believe it. I can't. This is like, oh goodness. This is like so good. Wow, guys. Amazing. I cannot believe how well this is paying off for us. Like, two solid fish in like the span of like 30 minutes. So we're gonna go ahead, get baited back up, get back to the fishing. Leaving the GoPro on because I want to capture the bobber going under. I might have something right now. Go ahead and reel it back in. Trying to cast right over there, because I think that's where the money is, right there. Could also be good right there, but we're gonna just sling it on in there. Perfect. Just perfect. And it'll drift right out. It's already getting chased by something. Ooh. 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 Come on. Take it. Oh. Yeah. Oh yeah. Here we go. This is stupid solid. Like, I cannot tell you how solid this was. I cannot believe it. Another good mango snapper. Going in the net. Alright, yeah. And there goes the paddle. Luckily we have it on a tether. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Nice mangrove snapper. Let me try to get a measure on him without dropping him this time. Try to use this this tape measure here. Yeah, we're definitely. You know, even at the tail, as a tail pinch, he's only just shy of 10. So, still a fun catch. See you later, buddy. Oh, he just came off. Let's leave it in for just a sec. See if he'll come back or not. Probably got it. Dang you guys. Okay. No, it's still on. Alright, I'm gonna change that out. Alright guys, well I've given it about like 15-20 minutes, so I'm gonna try to see if I can move locations. Looks like that battery is about to die, but I'm gonna try going that way. See what happens over there. I'll have to remember this spot, because there's a nice little outlet that's coming right out here. That's like, we might even try to go in there one day when it's going from low to high tide. That would probably be the money. So let's go ahead and move. Alright, we're at the second spot. I'm not gonna lie to you guys, it is excessively difficult to kayak in the current, but that's just something we're gonna have to learn. All right, let's see what happens here. Oh, here we go, here we go. Oh. Yeah, here we go. Did we lose them again? Oh, come on. Alright, we're still good. We're still good. Alright. Oh, guys. We're on again. We're on. Right? No, yeah, we got. What do we got? Bring him in. Red. Oh. Fish on the mud minnow. Oh my goodness. This is a solid one too. Alright, there we go. Nice red. Nice. Oh my god. I swear, this has paid off so well, guys. I cannot believe this. 3 mangrove snappers, a snook, and a redfish. Oh. Alright, let's see if we can get a good measure on this guy. Alright. This is 15-inch 14 and a half inch red. It has to be 18 and up, or I think it's 19 to 27 is the slot range for redfish. But little rat red puppy drum, solid to catch. Let's get him back. I'm gonna soft release this guy. There it goes. Nice, guys. Nice. Oh my goodness. That's such a good idea, guys. Oh my god, I can't believe how well today is going. And guys, that is going to be the 5th red drum I have ever caught in my entire life. Not a bad one. Let's go ahead, cast out, and see if we can do that again. Just got another blow up. Like, oh my goodness. Might have to invest in more GoPro batteries. Oh, oh. Because I might have to just keep these going. Change out the batteries when it dies. This day is amazing. Ah, come on. They're taking it, they're just not. Oh, come on. They're just playing with me now. Come on. Yeah. Oh, oh, oh. We got him. Yeah. Got one. What do we get? What is this? Oh, it's a ladyfish. That's good. Alright. Oh, that. Ow. What a feisty little thing. Alright. Fish number 6 of the day. Just a ladyfish. I'm gonna go ahead and let this one go. Not a bad day. I did see them rolling on the top and I thought they were tarpon, but it was just a poor man's tarpon. Amazing, guys. Alright, get baited back up, get back to the fishing. Alright guys, so I'm gonna go ahead and end it for the day. It looks like the ladyfish have kind of moved in, and I was planning on doing something a little bit different. I was planning on just saving these videos and just loading them up, working on them. It's so unfortunate, like they're, oh my god. I don't know if I should go home. This is why, okay folks, listen, I'm just for today, I'm gonna go home, I'm gonna edit this video, and I'm gonna put it up tonight so that you all can see it, because like I'm super excited about this. I never knew how good kayak fishing would be, but this is insane, guys. Like, there's fish blowing up around me all over the place. I do have to work on my kayaking skills and my paddling, yeah, but unbelievable. This day is just one of the best days I've had in my entire life. I've had good days, like really good days, but this is this has to be on the top now. But anyways, I'll stop the rambling and I'll go ahead and let you guys go. But before you go, hit that subscribe button down below if you want to see more of my kayak fishing. And if you like this video, hit the like button down below. Comment down below and let me know if you have any tips or techniques for kayak fishing, specifically the paddling part in the current, because even though the current was pushing me into this direction, kind of didn't want to do that. I kind of want to go that way, but I guess God was looking out for me and put me on this side. So, and what an amazing day. I can't say it enough. It was just so great. But I'll see you guys in the next video. I hope you guys can join me for the next kayaking adventure. Oh, what I meant to say was that instead of uploading the videos the same day I fish, I'm gonna save those videos throughout the week and edit them on like Monday or like Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. Might even be able to just get away with doing it one day and then publishing them and having them scheduled. But the reason why I want to do that is because that'll give me a heck of a lot more time to be out here. Just for today, and today alone, I'm uploading this video the day of, so that, because like I'm super excited to share this with you guys. So hope you guys can join me in the next one.